and welcome to Advent Calendar Day 2. Hopefully you've seen number 1 so far. Also want to let you know that the openings that I'm using, I had those made last year from a gentleman in Ukraine, and they came out really, really good. I had him use Wendy's Wine Wonderland just for the Advent. Of course, the name of my channel is Wonderful World of Wendy, but I thought I would use that just as something unique for the holiday season. So if you're kind of going, what? That's why. All right, well, day number 2, I need coffee. Let's turn it around and see what today's offering is. It looks Christmassy. Ooh, spiced eggnog. I am excited about this. Actually, let me show you what I got from Target that is really, really good as well. This holiday nog. If you have a Target near you, this holiday nog is really, really good. All right, let's make this bad boy. Oh, I can tell you it smells really, really good. You sure you don't want to try some? He eats flavor coffee. He's like, what flavor is it today? I'm like, eggnog. I'm like, you want some? He goes, ooh, no. All right, all I put in it right now is some vanilla creamer. A little bit more sweetener, but the flavor is fabulous. I'll probably also sprinkle some cinnamon in it. All right, let's go see what wine is for today. I have a feeling it's going to be white. Let's see if I'm right. It is. It's a Chardonnay tonight. All right, let's go look and see what the possible pairings are.
Get ready to ooh and ah your way to the bottom of your glass of citrio.
Okay, so this is an Italian creamy Chardonnay, which I'm excited about. They suggest getting a chicken piccata or buttery sauces, and I don't think there's any out-of-the-box ones on this one. No out-of-the-boxes. So hubby and I are going to figure out what we're going to have. Okay, so tonight we decided on the lemon piccata to match with this Chardonnay. We're going to try it in a few seconds. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the masterpiece that my husband made. He's such a good cook. We decided to go with the lemon piccata and some pasta on the side to gather all that sauce. Oh, I can't wait. All right, let's go and see what cheese is supposed to match with this as well. All right, to match with this Chardonnay is black pepper Gouda. Okay, we will now pour the wine. Okay, first we're going to try the wine, which is supposed to be creamy, and I do like a creamy Chardonnay. Okay, it's creamy, but it's not buttery. It's tangy, and I typically don't like the tangy. It's not burning when it goes down, which means it's not super acidic.
I knew it was going to be acidic when I read the description this morning.
Yeah, but it's not as acidic as last night's.
I think it is.
Ooh, you think it's more acidic? You take a bite of that one. It's on its own, but did you try it with the wine? It's better with the wine. And now I'm going to try it with the chicken piccata and a little bit of pasta. All right, here I go. I don't like it with the pasta. Taste it. He's gonna taste it. He doesn't want to be on camera. I think it's better with the black pepper. Where's the black pepper again? And you ate it all. I only got a bite. I have to break it in half next time. That's okay. It's not typically my favorite one, but it does match better with the wine. So this wine is okay. My favorite is actually a Pinot Noir, so we'll see if when that one comes out. What do you think?
Well, it doesn't do anything for the food.
Yeah, it doesn't do anything with that lemon piccata, but it's still gonna be a great dinner. So
See, I didn't think it was going to because I typically don't see Chardonnays doing that to food, whereas red wines absolutely, and some other like a Pinot Grigio will.
right.
Chardonnay, I've never felt that.
Well, sometimes it just depends. It just depends. This is not a buttery Chardonnay, but it's not bad. Not my favorite. So, all right. Well, next we're going to be lighting a candle. And I've got some baking to do tonight. I have to make 3 dozen cookies. So I'll show you what I'm making in a bit. Number 2 for tonight is... Now, last night's, by the way, was a good scent. And it didn't burn all the way down. And I fell asleep on the couch till 3 in the morning. So I still have more left of that one. So it's going to be more than one night. This one is caramel and ginger cookie. Ooh. Right, giving this one the sniffer test. All right, that one smells really, really good. This one smells like I've been baking, which I am going to be doing anyway. So I'm going to be lighting this candle, and then I'll be baking. Okay, these are supposed to look like Christmas trees. Unfortunately, I could not find star cookies for the top, so I might improvise with something else. All right, baking is done. These are just the Pillsbury that come in the squares that you just bake. And then I did a Pinterest recipe. And if I do say myself, I think it came out pretty good. And there's my final result. Wait, the gingerbread man's kind of... Okay, so technically this is supposed to have a star on top of it. And it says to use star cinnamon cookies. I looked all over the place in my grocery store and could not find star. And I thought, oh, well, I'll make extra stars out of the dough. Well, the box I bought only had enough dough for the 2 pieces I needed to make these. It's actually a pretty easy recipe. So I'm improvising and using a gingerbread. I'm sure the kids will love it either way. So I'm bringing these with me tomorrow to the parade, which I will film tomorrow as part of day 3. But today is the end of vlog number 2. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, down there. Give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next adventure. If you guys want the recipe for this, let me know below and maybe I'll make a video on it. Bye.